If you're trying to decide between Fieldwire and Smartsheet for construction project tracking, you're probably wondering which of these tools will give you the best results. Both are powerful, but each has its strengths and weaknesses. In this video, I'll break down the key differences between Fieldwire and Smartsheet, and by the end, I'll share an alternative that might just be the best solution for your project tracking needs. Stick around, because this might save you a lot of time and money. First, let's talk about Fieldwire. Fieldwire is a construction management software built specifically for the construction industry, and it's great for job site coordination. If you need to track tasks, manage blueprints, and collaborate with your team on the go, Fieldwire's mobile app is one of the best in the business. It allows for real-time updates on construction projects, which is crucial when you're dealing with deadlines and contractors on the ground. However, the main issue with Fieldwire is its limited functionality when it comes to project planning and resource management. While it excels at task management, it falls short in areas like budgeting and detailed project timelines. If you're looking for a tool to manage every aspect of your construction project, Fieldwire might not have all the features you need. Next thing, let's look at Smartsheet. Smartsheet is a highly versatile platform that is more suited for general project management. It's ideal if you need a flexible tool that integrates with other software and offers powerful automation. Smartsheet's grid-based interface looks like a giant spreadsheet, but it's packed with features like Gantt charts, automated workflows, and detailed reporting tools, making it great for larger projects with complex needs. But there's a catch: Smartsheet's learning curve can be steep. The interface, while powerful, isn't as intuitive as Fieldwire's mobile-first approach. Also, Smartsheet can feel overwhelming for teams who are specifically looking for a tool tailored to construction management. While it can handle a wide range of project types, it doesn't specialize in the construction industry like Fieldwire does. The fourth thing to consider is pricing. Fieldwire offers a more straightforward pricing model with a focus on smaller construction teams. However, it can become pricey when you add advanced features or increase the number of users. On the other hand, Smartsheet is subscription-based and offers more customizable plans, which can be useful for larger companies, but this flexibility often leads to higher costs for smaller teams. Now, let's talk about integrations. Fieldwire does have some integrations with tools like Procore and Google Drive, but it's not as robust as Smartsheet. Smartsheet offers a wide variety of integrations with everything from Google Workspace to Salesforce, which can make it more appealing if you need a tool that connects to your existing systems. But if you're just looking for something straightforward for construction projects, these integrations might be overkill. Next thing, user experience. Fieldwire is simple to use, especially for those in the field. It's designed to make daily tasks easier to manage, from punch lists to task assignments. Smartsheet, though, offers a lot of power. It can be a bit harder for construction teams to navigate if they don't have project management experience. Finally, let's wrap it up. Both Fieldwire and Smartsheet are solid choices for construction project tracking, but they serve different needs. Fieldwire is great for managing tasks on the ground with its simple mobile app, but it lacks advanced project management features. Smartsheet, on the other hand, offers a comprehensive project management experience, but can be overwhelming for construction teams not used to its interface. After trying both, I think there's a better alternative if you're serious about managing your construction projects effectively and efficiently. If you want a construction-focused tool with the advanced project management features you need, plus a better user experience, take advantage of the free trial linked in the description. Through this link, you'll get the best free trial and exclusive benefits that are only available to our viewers. If you're looking for a better, more comprehensive solution for your construction project tracking, I highly recommend you check it out. Don't settle for less when you can have the best.